Hash index funds explained. The simplest way to build wealth. Most people think they need to pick winning stocks to get rich. They're wrong. Dead wrong. And that misconception is costing them thousands of dollars every single year. Hey, welcome back. Today we're breaking down index funds. The actual secret weapon that billionaires and everyday millionaires use to build generational wealth. And the best part? You can start with literally any amount of money. $50, $100. Today, here's the reality. 90% of professional stock pickers underperform the market. 90%. That means you're actually better off doing almost nothing than trying to pick individual stocks. Let me show you why index funds are the move. Part 1. What is an index fund? An index fund is basically a basket of stocks that mirrors a market index. Think of it like this. Instead of buying one apple, one orange, and one banana separately, you're buying a fruit salad that contains everything you need. The most famous index is the S&P 500. That's 500 of the largest companies in America. We're talking Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Coca-Cola. All of them bundled into one investment. When you buy an S&P 500 index fund, you own a tiny slice of all 500 companies at once. If one company tanks, the other 499 are still working for you. That's diversification on steroids. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you invest $10,000 into a Vanguard S&P 500 index fund right now. You own a piece of all 500 companies proportional to their market size. Over the last 30 years, the S&P 500 averaged 9.7% annual returns. That means your $10,000 would have grown to around $174,000 with zero effort beyond the initial investment. Compare that to someone who picked individual stocks, paid trading fees, paid taxes on short-term gains, and statistically underperformed by about 2% per year. Their $10,000 would have turned into maybe $100,000. That's a $74,000 difference. For doing absolutely nothing different except choosing a better strategy. Part 2. Where do you actually buy them? You don't need some fancy brokerage or expensive financial advisor. Open a free account at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Takes literally 5 minutes online. You'll verify your identity, link your bank account, and you're ready to invest. The easiest route? Open a Roth IRA. This is a retirement account specifically designed to build long-term wealth. Here's why it's incredible. You contribute up to $7,000 per year. That money grows tax-free. And when you retire, you pull it out completely tax-free. No capital gains tax. No income tax. Nothing. Let's say you're 30 years old with 35 years until retirement. You invest $7,000 per year in an S&P 500 index fund inside a Roth IRA. At 9.7% average returns, you're looking at retirement savings around $3.2 million. From just $7,000 a year. That's not a typo. If you already have a 401k through your employer, that's another vehicle for index fund investing. Your contributions come directly from your paycheck before taxes. And many employers match a percentage. If your company matches 5% of your salary, that's free money sitting on the table. Don't leave it there. Part 3. The simple system. Here's exactly what you do starting today. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA with Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2. Invest in a total market index fund. Look for VT-SAX at Vanguard, FSKAX at Fidelity, or SWTSX at Schwab. These track the entire U.S. stock market, not just 500 companies. Even broader diversification. Step 3. Set up automatic contributions. Every paycheck, a percentage automatically goes into your index fund. You set it and forget it. That's literally it. No market timing. No panic selling when the market drops 30%. No research into quarterly earnings reports. Just consistent investment in the overall growth of the American economy. The secret isn't picking the right stocks. The secret is time and compound interest. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Start now. Stay consistent. And your future self will thank you. This strategy has worked for decades. It'll work for you if you actually start. Call to action. If this clicked for you, smash that subscribe button. We drop videos about building real wealth every single week. Comment below. When are you opening that Roth IRA? Let's build wealth together.